Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on Bitcoin. We just start briefly here on the daily chart. I don't want to discuss it too much. We talked about it in the first video earlier today, but for now, due to that move to the upside we've seen today, obviously the main question is whether we've bottomed. Yeah, we'll take a look at that on the smaller time frame. Just assuming we have bottomed, because I wanna show you what the focus will be should we have bottomed locally. Yeah. In our support zone, the focus will be on the resistance area first. So we will pay attention to the mid 90k region for this B wave. Yeah, because if we've bottomed already, then first of all, I will track this as an ABC structure to the upside. Now that could be ABC of red wave B, which is the bearish scenario, or it's ABC of white wave A. Then we can get a B wave down. I'm talking about the white scenario, right? It would be the A wave of the white scenario. This would be the B wave pullback in the white scenario, and then we can get a C wave rally. So this would turn into a larger 3-wave move in the white scenario. In the red scenario, it's over after the next 3-wave rally. So I just wanted to show you where things could be going. I tried to put a lot of emphasis on that in the last few days, that we're getting closer and closer here to a low. And once we break above initial resistance, or at least we see the right structure on the smaller time frame, the focus will shift towards the resistance area. Now let's take a look at the shorter time frame. Interesting development, obviously, today with that aggressive move to the upside, but that was the C wave that we wanted to see. Yeah, I mean, talked about that throughout the last few days, that a wider wave 4 should play out. Now, it is a little bit too high for a fourth wave, but it's still valid. So, quick reminder here, this is just zoomed in, what I just showed you on the larger time frame. Here on the smaller time frame, the main question is, do we actually have a low or not? The next question then will be, okay, is the rally the red B wave I just showed you, or is something more bullish playing out? But here on the smaller time frame, we should really focus on the question on whether we've bottomed or not. There are a few ways how we could see that. The chart might have bottomed either as a truncation, so that this is actually the low, but it formed a higher low. Not ideal, and I wouldn't normally consider that. Therefore, I still consider a potential low here. Yeah, if we really continue to grind higher and the next pullback is corrective, there could have been a low here. If that's the case, it looks like we only form 3 waves up. So I do not expect impulsive price action to the upside. So it's only going to be, we won't have the luxury of working with 5-wave patterns. 5-wave patterns give us clarity. We're likely only going to see 3 waves. Yeah, in this case, as an A, B, C structure. So again, that could be an ABC pattern in the yellow wave 4 with one more low to come. That's still valid. And as I said, I tried to prepare you for a wider wave 4. And in one of the previous updates I sent through today on our Discord server, probably can't find it now, but I did write that I would not be surprised if the market breaks briefly above the swing high from Monday. Yeah. Oh yeah, it was actually here. The 100% again. So I would not be surprised by a brief break above resistance before wave 4 completes. So with the resistance area, which I've now removed from the chart, that was the resistance that ended at the Monday high. So we have that, and the current pullback, and some kind of a pullback is unfolding, will tell us if this is just a fake out or if we can get another high. Yeah. So the micro support zone to watch right now is between 79,518 and 81,582. And if the market now forms a pullback, can find support here, one more high is expected. That would make this C wave quite full. And then the pullback afterwards will tell us the truth. If the pullback is corrective, then we're likely dealing with a rally to the mid 90k region. But if we see impulsive moves down, and if we break below support, which I haven't yet added to the chart, we first need a high, okay, then, well, we're likely going to see one more low here in maybe the 72 to 73k region. To keep it very simple, don't want to make it too complex. As long as we're holding 79,518, I would watch for one more high. One more high. And after that, the pullback will be a very, very important one. The structure of that pullback will be very important. So for now, the focus is here on this micro support zone. And then one more high could take us to maybe 84,200 to 85,977. A break below support already now could mean that we're already in this larger pullback. But for now, on the micro level, one more high seems likely. Yeah, that's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.